Oh, happy Friday. Thank you for watching Mid-Morning. So the government just released the latest jobs report this morning with a look at hiring in May.
We got CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger joining us now. Hey, Jill, good morning. Give us the results of this jobs report.
So the economy produced 139,000 jobs, a little bit better than expectations, pretty much in line with what we've seen for the last few months. The two previous months, though, they were revised lower, and that can often be a sign that the market overall is slowing down. Unemployment rate, it remained at 4.2%. Good news for workers. Average annual wages up by 3.9%. So that's a big jump ahead of the 2.5% inflation rate. So workers should be feeling a little bit more comfortable, at least for the month of May.
And Jill, earlier this week, another report showed much slower job creation. Is that what we should expect in the coming months?
So I'm not sure. This is a report from the big payroll company, ADP. They found that private employers added just 37,000 jobs. It was the lowest monthly job total in over 2 years. So we're not sure, because sometimes the big government report and the ADP report, sometimes they diverge from month to month. Overall, though, the trend is a slowdown in job growth. And I think inside this ADP report, there's a nugget we should focus on. Companies that have fewer than 50 employees, they actually let workers go in the month of May. And that could be a sign that these small companies are really bearing the brunt of all of this economic and tariff uncertainty. So we'll have to keep an eye on that.
And it's not just slow to hire, it's actually letting people go.
Yeah, exactly. And that's why I think the small companies, they don't have the power to go lobby the president. Uncertainty is not something they can just wait out. Right. When they are feeling uncertain and they think that they're not going to sell as much goods or services, they let people go.
Okay. So the president, we know, Jill, continuing to, let's call it urge the Fed to cut interest rates. Tell us about the next policy meeting. What do you expect will happen?
So we get that next meeting in a couple of weeks, and I think despite the president's prodding, we are not seeing a meaningful deterioration in the labor market. So I think the Fed will not take any action. Again, what are they waiting for? They're waiting to see whether the growth rate slows down so much that we see job losses, or we're also waiting to see whether or not those tariffs create more price pressure if we see the inflation rate rise. So the Fed wants more data. I think they do nothing at that next meeting in a couple of weeks.
All right. Well, Jill, we'll be sure to check back in with you then. Thank you so much. And you can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and also find her on the CBS Evening News. For more analysis, go to JillOnMoney.com.